Doesn't matter where you stand or what our interaction is. You just have to support overseas. So once again, we want to thank them. We also do a lot of military stuff. Last year we did almost 20 military shows on different bases showing our support for the troops. This year we've done about 5, and next year we're working on so we're getting here handful front brake all the way around. You saw both tires right there. Get that 400-pound motorcycle up. And can't go back down to the far end. You see him make that little turn. But he's going to kind of hang out there. All you guys down there, I'm going to see some pictures. I only saw one flash. Down. And again, you see him kind of moving around. He's coming in circles.
That's where you're watching.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
How did you do that?
Now this side you see both feet up and he comes all the way around. And like this everywhere straight away from the seat. Like I was saying earlier, he's going to take all those tricks from our evolution early and he's put them all together right now. That's when it comes through. And not only is it not even also is one of the top worldwide competitors in our XDL National Championship Series.
How'd you do?
This one's sitting on the tank. You can see him right back. Make some noise for air right now. And kid trying to flow down the middle area. You see slowing it down a little bit. Now, any of you guys are riding sport bikes. I don't know how careful these bikes handle at slow speed. So use it all the
The only way he's able to do that is because he's idled up so high it's not dying.
Right.
Like I said, you're going to see it.
It's a beast.
Again, coming right down the ramp bars, all the way down to the fence line. He likes playing by those fences. He is a big showman, so like I said, you guys keep those cameras moving. He might stop and say hi. Checking out the fence line again. Just not getting the foot over. I know I'm not that flexible. Like I said, all year long tour. I'm in a different city every single weekend.
You know you have a seat on that thing.
Hey! Wager a little bit. And he likes to try to run me over at all times. A little orange can right here that I have in my hand. And this is how we're going to take our ideas. We like to wager on what we're going to do, who's going to do it. So as you can see, it says free dinner for Tice. So hopefully that works out my favor today. So we'll put that can down right there. Now we're going to start airing from the far end. He's going to have to come in as fast as he can. And he'll grab a handful of that front brake, get back up on that front tire. He's going to roll all the way out here, come around 180 degrees, and crush that can with his rear tire. Now yesterday alone he owes me about 8 free meals. So I'm looking to start with 6 today. So as you can tell, I really want him to miss the can. You guys make your own opinion on that. If you want to see him crush this can, put your hands together because we're going to send him in.
If he does
So he has to start down there and see that can. Visualize it. Come in right here. Grab that foot brake. Get up. Roll all the way down. And... We'll give that to him. I'll give that to him. He missed it 8 times yesterday. I feel bad for him. We're going to do a little bit of pity. We're going to make it a little bit harder this time. Obviously, that was a little bit too easy. So I'm going to bring up my little brave and beautiful life-size model right here. Put your hands together. Because obviously, we just made that look too easy. So what we're going to do this time is you're going to kind of pretend like you're in a class bubble. You can't go around with your hands to the side. You can't go to the amusement park or a school bus. If you stick your hands out, you're obviously not going to go home with them. We hate to see that. Yes, you would. All right, so I need you to stand still. And now big hair, don't care, get in the way of my can there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stage Aaron back down here again. And he's gonna come in again as fast as he can. He'll grab a fistful of that front brake, get up on that rear tire, come all the way around, swing that rear tire over, and knock that can off the top of her head.
She's like,
Yeah,
oh
exactly.
my God.
Now we attempted this once before, but let's see how it goes this time.
Yeah.
So put your hands together for Aaron. He's back right now. I said you can't move, sweetheart. Stop moving. There's shit. You're balance already. Don't move. All right, we're gonna bring it around now. Obviously, you guys didn't think we were actually knock that can off your head. I mean, we're not that mean. So we're gonna let Aaron throw that lifestyle spot here for a couple of seconds. Go around and around. All right, now here's where the dangerous part comes in. So don't move. I need you to stay perfectly still.
I couldn't do it.
Make sure you get him up. Make sure you get him up. This is what they call, we actually call this our human folding section. So good luck. Don't move. You guys put your hands together. Take the front tire coming in. What was that? You told me all night last night all you want to do was kiss Aaron, and you take off running. I can't believe you said that. All last night, all you did was talk about the workers. And then when he comes up to you, you take off running. And
Stay on that, man.
you can see how you're trying to get those tires spinning. That's so slick. And running down the hard line, running into traction. You guys put your hands together for Aaron. And also, please put your hands together for our brave and beautiful bike styles model right here. You're fine for a couple of minutes as long as you guys keep those hands together and make some noise.
I don't understand how
I don't
it's not
understand.
fall backwards. It's like there's a bar back there.
No, there's some kind of string following him.
I'm going to loop.
Motorcyclist running right off of that side.
He's using the clutch, I guess.
See him stand up, spin around, taking the hands off, checking the front tires. This time behind him, still going. Still no hand.
Wait, I'm on the foot.
And again, taking the hands off. He's having a good time out there.
I won't ever want to do anything. I'm scared watching it.
How fast you see them both feet up all the way around. He's going to go right back up. This time he's hopping on the tank. And again, he's going to come right in the circle. That bike not even really going forward before it starts cutting back.
And I guess the good thing is if he falls off, he's only going 5 miles an hour. Right. I want some of this concrete where I can play on it.
And flat track racing. So he has no.
Locks up that back tire.
See it?
Put your hands together for our Red Bull athlete.
Look at how much.
Be sure to email that to me at work.
I know you want
Hey, Dad.
You had a good time. And I know you got one more thing to say to this crowd yet here before we sign off for this show.